How to change the background in NanoBanana.ai. Want to replace or change the background of your photo? Let's get through the steps on NanoBanana.ai. First things first, open up your phone browser and search for NanoBanana.ai. Navigate to the website and make sure you have logged into the account. And this is exactly how your NanoBanana.ai website should look like. On the home page, simply scroll down until you see an AI editor option. You can see AI editor right over here. And just below, you will see two choices, image to image and text to image. Select image to image, it's already chosen, so let's leave it as it is. Then pick the photo you want from the gallery by tapping on this plus icon right over here. Tap on it. By the way, you can add 9 references images right over here. Now, simply tap on the image where you want to change the background. For example, I want to change the background of this photo right over here. Tap on it, then tap on done. Now, simply tap on the bin prompt section and clearly explain the background you want. For example, you can say, change the background to a beach, replace it with a city skyline, or make it plain white. The more specific your instruction, the better the results will be. Simply write it over here. After typing your prompt, tap on the generate now, which is not open right now. Once you tapped something prompt over here, it will be opened like this. And then once you tap on generate now, NanoBanana will process your request and create the new image which will be updated with the background that you have described. And within the few seconds, the AI does its works. And once you have done, you can see your images right over here on the output section. And that's it. You can successfully change the background of your photo using NanoBanana.ai like this. I hope this video helped. And that's all for today's video. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.